Hello, welcome to the 200 drill portion of the speed class. I'm going to start off with some common words. Ready? That, vet, quit, quell, quip, zip, zap, quart, quill, squirt, squid, squat, belt, felt, raft, wept, slept, dirt, part, port, strut, strip, stilt, thrill, throb, shrill, sprig, squad, twig, plot, plus, skit, skid, verb. Here are some sentences. Zip it up. Stop the vet. Zig or zag. Pop quiz. Have the quiz. A full quart. Many quarts. Fill the vat. Lug the vat. Tip the vet. The vet quipped. Quit it. Short quiz. Short verse. The quilt is red. Dad is quitting. Is the quiz hard? The pigs are fat. The vets have left. The car zigzagged. The vet fed the mutt. I will quit if it hurts. Are the verses short? Will her dad sell the car? Have the cats purred? Sis zipped up her shirt. The cell will be mopped. Have the squad cars left? The cells are full of thugs. Is the vet with the dogs? Okay, I have a name and address drill for you. Ready? Mrs. Betty Frederick, Athens Drive High School, 1420 Athens Drive, Adams, North Carolina 27696. Ms. Ann T. Reska, King Philip Regional School, P.O. Box 49, 201 Franklin Street, Retham, Massachusetts 02093. Jim Niznik, Leckland Senior High School, 228 Puckett Street, Leckland Air Force Base, San Antonio, Texas 78236. J.S. Lazar, Transaction Technology Incorporated, 3100 Ocean Park Boulevard, Santa Monica, California 90405. Ms. Edith A. Phillips, Hibbing High School, Independent School, District 70, Hibbing, Minnesota. Ms. S. K. Zulfref, Globe Battery Division, Johnson Controls Incorporated, P.O. Box 591, Milwaukee, Wisconsin 53201. Karen E. Hornick, 722 and a half West Dover Street, Worthington, Idaho 73250. Valerie G. Petrosky, Federal Reserve Bank, P.O. Box 6387, Cleveland, Ohio 44101. Jose R. Nolasco, 589 Arrownet Street, Manteca, California 95336. Okay, I have a drill here. This focuses on this, that, these, those. Ready? These bags, that ball, this foot, that room, those days, this horse. See those, this chair, hit these, those girls, frame these, hold that, those times, sign these, leave this, these boys, those facts, pull this, those flocks, that car, ask these, that booth, these sticks, this brush, those kids, that pool, plant these, strike that, try these, this book, those trails, watch that, these checks, ask those, that house, those decks. You probably already know this, but the brief for strike that is STRAT. Strike that. Okay, I have a drill here that focuses on numbers and measurements. I will give you some numbers and measurements and then give you the sentences. Okay, ready? 17 feet 2 inches, 8.5 inches, 52 feet 9 inches, 6 3/4 inches, 4.5 feet, 729 feet, 9.25 feet, 718 feet. Here are your sentences. The boards were measured. Type A was 3 feet 2 inches long. Type B was 6 feet 4 inches long. Type C was 7 feet 1 inch long. We then measured the steel pipes. 3 of them were 4 feet long with a diameter of 2.5 inches. 4 pipes were 5 feet long with a diameter of 13.25 inches. 5 of the pipes were 12 feet long with a diameter of 3.18 inches. In our order, we requested that all the boards be at least 3 feet 2 inches in length and that the pipes be at least 4 feet 2 inches long with a diameter of 2.5 inches or more. Now I'm going to read this short paragraph again, but I'm going to pick up the pace this time. Ready? The boards were measured. Type A was 3 feet 2 inches long. Type B was 6 feet 4 inches long. Type C was 7 feet 1 inch long. We then measured the steel pipes. 3 of them were 4 feet long with a diameter of 2.5 inches. 4 pipes were 5 feet long with a diameter of 13.25 inches. 5 of the pipes were 12 feet long with a diameter of 3.18 inches. In our order, we requested that all the boards be at least 3 feet 2 inches in length and that the pipes be at least 4 feet 2 inches long with a diameter of 2.5 inches or more. Okay, I'm going to give you some Tangle tamers. Here we go. Ready? Probably cause, wave time, reasonable inference, proven facts, subsequent occurrence, criminal case, jury room door, opening statement, resulting injury, sufficient basis, construe anything, seeks damages, applicable law, quotation marks, further action, ordinarily reasonable, request clarification, designated documents, clerical error, fair doubt, principles of law, jail custodian, lesser number, various claims, injuries sustained, several witnesses, final argument, several counts, circumstantial, stood mute, intoxicated user, copyright license, photostatic copy, others constitute, particular segment, and ambiguous areas. Okay. I'm going to give you top cities in Oklahoma. Ready? Oklahoma City, Tulsa, Norman, Broken Arrow, Lawton, Edmond, Moore, Midwest City, Ardmore, Enid, Stillwater, Bartsville, Shawnee, Ponca City, Yukon, Duncan, Bixby, and Dell City. Okay, just a few legal terms. Here we go. Court rules. Rules of civil and criminal procedure established by courts. Generally, these rules supplement codes of civil and criminal procedure. Courts of general jurisdiction are courts that have the authority to hear a wide variety of cases, both civil and criminal. Most state trial courts are general jurisdiction courts. Courts of limited jurisdiction are courts that have the authority to hear only specific classes of cases. Some states have family law, criminal law, probate, and juvenile courts, all of which are limited jurisdiction courts. Courts of record are courts which maintain a verbatim record of the trials and hearings it conducts. Criminal law, the substantive law of crimes and punishment, defines what conduct is criminal and what punishment may be imposed for such conduct. Criminal mischief, the destruction or damaging of another property is commonly known as mischief. Criminal procedure, the law that establishes processes for putting substantive criminal law into action. Culpability, blameworthiness, or guilt. Damages. 1. The loss suffered by an individual due to the wrongful act of another. 2. Money received from a lawsuit to compensate for the loss of property, person, or rights. Deadly weapon, any item from which the manner used is calculated or likely to cause death or serious bodily injury. And the last is deadly weapon doctrine, a rule that states that juries may infer that a defendant intended to murder if a deadly weapon was used to kill the victim. That concludes our drill class for the 200 speed. Have a great day.